Are you also confused when to use double S and when to use SZ? Here is a quick explanation. It depends on the vowel in front of the double S. If it's a short vowel, you write a double S, like Schloss. But if it's a long vowel, you write a SZ, like Schoß. So Fußball is a long vowel, so you write it with an SZ. Fuß is also SZ. And Füße is with double S, because then you have a short vowel. Füße. Fuß, Füße. Weiß, so it's long before the SZ. Weiß. Wissen. That's a short I, so you say Wissen, and it's spelled with double S. Gruß, grüßen. So Gruß has a long U, and grüßen has a short vowel, so you write the double S. So always check the vowel. If it's a short vowel, you need double S, and if it's a long vowel, you need SZ. And also when you read in German, you know if there is a double S following, so you know the vowel has to be short. Muss is also short vowel, and if you see there is an SZ, you know you have to pronounce the vowel long. Muss, but that means mesh. Muss is have to, muss is mesh. Do you wonder when to write das with double S and when to write it just with one S? If it's an article, das Haus, you always write it with one S, but if you mean that, then you write it with double S. It all depends on the context. So if that is like a pronoun and you could also replace it with this or which, then it has one S, but if it is a conjunction, then you have double S. A conjunction means that it connects two clauses. Ich sehe, dass du da bist. So these are two clauses. I see and you are here. And we connect it with das. I see that you are here. Ich sehe, dass du da bist. Ich sehe, dass du spät bist. Ich weiß, dass du isst. In German we say that you can try to insert welches instead of das. So you can compare it with which in English. And if it works, then you know it has to be written with one S. So if you have a sentence like Das ist das Haus, das groß ist, try it in English to say this is the house which is big. Yeah, you can say that. So now you know das has to be written with one S. If you have the sentence Ich weiß, dass das Haus ist, das groß ist. I know that that is the house that is big. I know that this is the house that is big. So here you can insert this, and then you know, okay, if I can insert this, it has to be one S. And then you can't say I know which this is the house, so there you have to have das with double S, so it's a conjunction. And then at the end, that is big. You could also say which is big, so you know there has to be a das with one S. So if you can say this or that, then you have to write the das with one S. But sometimes if you translate it with that, this could also be a conjunction. And in this case, you can't write one S, because then you can't replace it with which. So you have to be careful. That can be both. It could be das with one S, but it could also be das with double S. And if you come across a book or a text where you see the das with a SZ, then it might be a very old book, or not that old, because we had a big change in spelling 1996. So the Rechtschreibreform changed, and so they came up with the idea that every word that has a short vowel has a double S instead of the SZ, and all the words with a long vowel have a SZ after the long vowel. So here is an example. This book is printed 1995, so just 1 year before the Rechtschreibreform. So in this text you see the word heiß, and this was before that already with an SZ, and it's still with SZ. And the same with 30, so if it's an EI in front of it, then it's always SZ. But here you see the word wusste. Nowadays you write it with double S, because wusste has a short vowel. And this is the simple past of to know. Wissen is the verb infinitive. And then we have the word Fuß, and this was before already with an SZ, and it still is because U is long. Fuß. Here is a short exercise. Das or das? Ich sehe das Auto. Ich weiß, dass das dein Auto ist. Bist du dir sicher, dass das das richtige Auto ist? Have a look at my website where you can find worksheets so you can practice all of this. If this helped you, please like this video. If there is something else you want me to make a video about, please write it into the comments. And if you want to learn more German, just join my YouTube channel and you get a new lesson every week. Bis zur nächsten Woche. Tschüss!